For more than 100 years now, on the banks of the Volga, not far from the village of Ermakovo, Samara region, the abandoned chapel tomb of Alexei Nikolaevich LYUPOV, a Russian officer, artilleryman, participant in the Russo-Japanese War, talented inventor and photographer, has stood. Here in this chapel is buried the hero of the defense of Port Arthur, artilleryman, talented inventor, Patriot, Staff Captain Alexei Nikolaevich LYUPOV. The chapel is a monument of history and architecture of the early 20th century. Protected by the state. During the Russo-Japanese War of 1904 to 1905, Alexei Nikolaevich LYUPOV participated in the defense of Port Arthur. He commanded a battery of 9-inch mortars of the Kwantung Fortress Artillery. After the fall of the city, he was captured by the Japanese. I stayed there for a year. After returning from captivity, he retired with the rank of captain. He was involved in invention. From 1908 to 1911, he patented 15 inventions in the fields of aviation, medicine, and astronomy at the Russian Ministry of Industry and Trade.
The author of the chapel project is military engineer Fyodor Vladimirovich SMIRNOV. Today the chapel is in a dilapidated state and continues to collapse before our eyes. The issue of restoring it has been raised many times by people who are not indifferent to this historical monument, but no action has yet been taken by the current authorities.